Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can shoot on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my camera application. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys how we can use our camera, our Android mobile phone's camera to shoot a video. Okay, as you can see, I'm still in the photo section, and if we want to shoot, we can go to the video, and here we'll be able to customize our camera. You can choose the ratio right here. You can choose 9:16, 1:4 full, and I prefer guys. And here you can customize the size and FPS. I'm just going to choose HD, and for the FPS I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then here you will be able to choose the zoom. You have 0.5 and 1, also 2, but for the 5, not all Android phone or Samsung Galaxy phone has this filter. I mean the zoom. Okay, and then here you can create super steady. You can activate super steady. Here I'm just going to make it off, and then here you'll be able to apply to your video. Okay, then go to the camera setting. Right here you'll be able to apply like watermark or something like that. Okay, and then once you're ready to shoot, you just need to click on this button. Okay, and if you want to turn on the flashlight, you can go to this menu. You can choose, oops, guys. You can choose the flashlight or on or off. It's up to you. You can use flashlight if the lightness is dark. And here guys, we can customize the the lightness like this. Wait, I'm going to show you how I can shoot. Okay, I'm going to start the shooting. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to shoot on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.